Hello everyone, in this video you are going to know how to fix sharp steam and scrub not steam. Solution 1. Check the water tank level. If the steam stops flowing, the first step is to check the water tank level. Refill the tank with distilled water to prevent mineral buildup. Distilled water is recommended as it does not contain the minerals found in tap water that can clog the mop's internal components over time. To maintain optimal performance, it's best to empty the water tank after every use. This helps prevent mineral deposits from accumulating in the tank and clogging the water intake tube or nozzle. Solution 2. Identify and clean the nozzle. Locate the nozzle, usually a small hole on the head of the mop from where the steam is released. Remove the head by unscrewing or unclipping it from the main body, following your user manual's instructions. Use the nozzle cleaner included with your mop or straightened out paper clip to gently clear away any mineral buildup inside the nozzle hole. Reattach the head securely, ensuring all fasteners are tightened. Plug in the mop and turn it on to check if the steam is released properly. Solution 3. Check for calcium buildup. Calcium and other mineral deposits can build up in the steam nozzle and prevent steam from being produced. To address this, fill the water tank with undiluted white vinegar. Let the vinegar sit in the tank for 24 to 48 hours to help dissolve any buildup. After the soak, empty the vinegar and refill the tank with clean water. Solution 4. Check for other blockages. In addition to the nozzle, ensure there are no other blockages in the steam path. Make sure the steam bottle is properly seated and secured in place. Inspect the steam hose and connection for any kinks or obstructions. Solution 5. Check the power source and select the correct setting. Make sure your sharp steam and scrub is securely plugged into a functioning electrical outlet. If it is a cordless model, ensure the battery is fully charged. If a corded model will not turn on, try plugging it into a different outlet. If the issue persists, check your home's fuses or circuit breakers. Once you see the power LED illuminated, ensure you have selected the steam button to activate the steam function. If you cannot select the steam setting but the power light remains on, unplug the mop, wait 15 to 30 seconds and plug the unit back in. This simple reset often resolves control system issues. Solution 6. Use distilled water. Fill the water tank with distilled water instead of tap water to prevent mineral buildup. Sharp offers a water filtration bottle that filters hard water for use in steam mops. This can help prevent mineral buildup and ensure optimal performance. Solution 7. Contact Sharp support. If the issue still persists, reach out to Sharp customer support. Provide detailed information about the issue you are experiencing, including any troubleshooting steps you have taken. Sharp's support team can help diagnose and fix the problem with your specific steam mop model. Thank you for watching the video. Please like, comment and share our video, subscribe to our channel and please don't forget to press the bell icon.